Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play May in Guilty Gear Strive. May is a fantastic rushdown character, famous for her incredibly strong normal attacks and unique dolphin projectiles. Her game plan is all about getting in close and overwhelming your opponent with a barrage of attacks. She truly shines when controlling the screen and creating tricky situations, forcing your opponent to guess your next move. Let's dive into her core mechanics. May's special moves are central to her offense. The horizontal dolphin, performed with 236S or HS, is your primary tool for closing gaps and extending combos. The vertical dolphin, 214S or HS, is excellent for anti-air and tricky overheads. Remember, you can charge Mr. Dolphin for extra damage and to gain significant frame advantage. Her anchor attacks, like jumping heavy and 6 heavy, provide fantastic reach and knockdown potential. Once your landing page is connected, tracking and optimization become paramount. Employ tracking templates to gain granular insights into your ad performance. More importantly, set up conversion tracking on your landing page to accurately measure valuable actions, such as purchases or sign-ups. Don't forget the power of a/B testing. By experimenting with 2 or more versions of your landing page, you can continuously refine and improve your conversion rates over time. Even as a rushdown character, May has solid defensive options. Her strong normal attacks and quick movement are crucial for escaping pressure. Utilize her fast dash and jump to evade incoming attacks and reset the neutral game, giving you a chance to regain control. Quick counterpokes, like 5P or 2P, can effectively interrupt your opponent's offense. Always remember to adapt your strategy based on the specific character matchup you are facing for optimal results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.